Hello, welcome back to Kodas of the Bushcraft. How's it going? I hope you enjoyed my first video. Welcome to the new channel, Kodas of the Bushcraft. I'm gonna explain what it is, then we'll get started to this video. So Kodas of the, we're gonna be doing camping stuff designed to do with camping. And on the 31st, we're gonna be going to a campground in Woolens there, if you find no Gelstone, Yoki Gelstone Park in Woolens, not the Free Bears, the actual campground. And we're gonna be going there to go camping. Hope when they come to a plot link in the where you can go check. So anyway, so this tent right here. So now we're going to talk about the tent. The tent right here, this is where we're going to be spending the night in here, down in our base, and they have it all set up. Okay, they have that pot out there. Now I'm going to put it forward. Sorry about this thing. So the tent. We're going to then talk about the inside. So I have this sleeping bag right here. I have a TV. This back door I can open. We can let some light in. See? So the camera's trying to shake you. This is the common symbol. Okay. So now. So anyway. So that's it. Enjoy the video. This part 2 will be out tonight. Part 1 and part 2 will be out later. So anyway, peace.